Stop scrolling. 5 AI wins you missed. New AI tools dropped. Here's what actually matters and what to try first. Headlines first. Big model updates keep rolling out. Multimodal features are everywhere. Text, image, and video are merging fast. Now the quick hits you can use today. ChatGPT. Still, the easiest for brainstorming and long-form help. Plus plugins that automate work. Claude. Great for safer, research-style answers, and complex reasoning. Midjourney. Stable diffusion. Pick Midjourney for polished creative art. Stable diffusion for custom, local control. Runway. Brilliant for turning images into short videos, and fast content edits. GitHub Copilot. Replit. Your AI pair programmer. To speed up code and prototypes. Quick tip. Mix a creative model with a reasoning model. Art plus accuracy equals better output. Want a short how-to using 2 of these together? Hit follow and I will drop a step-by-step next.